In this video, Darrell Brooks, who's acting as his own attorney in his criminal case, is trying to get questions out, but he just can't seem to figure out how to ask the question until he's done it over and over, and then he gets a little bit better.
Well, I was referring to when I ask a question, he turns towards the jury as if they're the ones asking the question.
That's not a question, Your Honor.
It is a question.
We did ask a question about that.
Yes.
I think you're asking why does he do that to that extent, the witness please?
I'm here to present the case to the jury.
So, I follow that fundamentally. But for the sake of making sure you hear the questions right, wouldn't it be fair to say that you should pay attention to the questions being answered, or being asked, rather?
Assumes fact, not evidence. Sustained as to the form of the question. Please rephrase.
Wouldn't it make sense to focus on the questions so you can hear them clearly?
Objection argumentative still assumes fact, not evidence. Sustained.
You made reference to you being here to present the case to the jury. So is that the reason why you decided to testify?
Objection to the relevance.
Grounds?
The witness may answer.
I don't understand your question.
Were you able to hear my question clearly?
I don't understand your question.
Were you able to hear my question clearly?
Objection argumentative, Your Honor. Sustained. Next question, please. Or rephrase the previous question to the one that was asked just now.
What was not understood about the question that you were asked?
Objection argumentative.
Grounds?
Sustained as to the form of the question. Please rephrase.
What wasn't clear about what I was asking?
Same objection, Your Honor.
Grounds?
The objection is sustained. Let's go back and ask the question that he says he didn't understand and rephrase it, please. Or move on. Your choice.
Was your sole reason for testifying here today?
Objection relevance. Let's let Mr. Brooks get the question out. Go ahead. Apologize, I thought that was it.
Are you testifying today strictly to prove your case to the jury?
Objection, misstatement of his testimony.
Grounds? That's what he said.
Sustained as to the form of the question, misstates the prior testimony.
That's what he said. So why did you decide to testify here today?
Objection, that's a legally inaccurate question, Your Honor. Please rephrase the question, sustaining the question asked as to the form of the question.
I don't know how I'm supposed to rephrase that. Without having the same form of the question. That helps.
I'll rule if there's an objection, but ask a question, please.
Did you seek to testify here today in this matter?
No.
So how did you ultimately come to that decision?
Objection, that's a misstatement, Your Honor. It was not his decision. Sustained as to the form of the question assumes a fact not in evidence.
Were you subpoenaed?
Yes.
Do you recall by whom you were subpoenaed to testify?
District Attorney Sue Opper from the Waukesha County District Attorney's Office.
And at that time you were subpoenaed, you decided to testify.
I don't believe it's my decision.
Well, it would be fair to say that you didn't have to show up, right? That'd be fair to say?
No, I had to show up.
But would it be fair to say that you could have chosen not to?
No, it would not be fair to say that.
Exhibit 131 that was shown to you. Have you seen that video footage before today?
Yes, I have.
Do you recall who showed it to you before today?
I don't recall who showed it to me.
Would it be fair to say you've seen it multiple times before today?
Yes, I've seen it a number of times.
And do you recall when you were first shown that video?
Not off the top of my head.
Was it the same day of the incident, the days following, sometime after?
So now he's asking
I don't recall
open-ended
myself
questions,
seeing it the first time.
which are proper.
And what about the Exhibit 130? Had you seen that video footage before today?
Objection, Your Honor. 130 is the map.
Or the map? Had you seen the map before today? I don't really think it.
Just for the record, I'll sustain the objection just because it referenced the wrong number, but I believe you rephrased. So go ahead, the witness may answer.
Can you ask the question again, please?
Had you seen the map of Exhibit 130 before today?
Yes, I have.
Multiple times as well?
Yes, numerous times.
Any idea why you viewed it so many times, multiple times?
Unsure.
Were you able to obtain any more information upon seeing the map numerous times that you didn't obtain when first seeing the map?
No.
So it would be fair to say you pretty much knew what the map was detailing each and every time you saw it.
Yes.